Morning. So we're gonna have a better day today. We're not gonna crash any drones, and we're gonna go find something to do instead of moping around the site because it's too hot. So the girls are finishing up some laundry, and when they finish with that, we're gonna head out and see what we can find.
My office for today. Did the laundry. Or working on the laundry.
So it's been a nice, easy day at the Boondocker site. We've been sitting around doing not much of anything. It's been too hot. It's that kind of heat that just makes you want to sleep all day, take a nap. But our host, Pat, invited her daughter around and her granddaughter and great-granddaughter. Her great-granddaughter's 6, and so she's just the right age to play with our kids, and they played in the paddling pool all afternoon, having fun. We're going to go to a small town nearby called Hoodsport to get ice creams. I think it's a beach town. Onward! Good.
Cotton candy one.
What flavor is it?
It's chocolate chip cookie dough.
What flavor did you get? What flavor did you get? Cotton candy. What did you get in the end?
I got mint chocolate chip on the bottom, and I got chocolate chip cookie dough on top.
I didn't know you could get 2.
No, I didn't either. She helped. I was having a hard time deciding, and she's like, I can do one here and I can do one there. So that's what I
Cheat.
did. I know.
What did you get?
I got that at Spumoni.
Spumoni. Trying to find a spot by the water. So we discussed going back and getting swim shorts and jumping in because it's hot out and the water feels good. And I think I'm going to regret not having done that. That was Hood Canal Marina. So like most state parks in America, you have to pay for that one. It's only $5 or $10, but we only need an hour. It's frustrating. You find all these good looking places on the map and they always want to charge you money. I get that they want to charge you to go in these places to keep up on the parking lots and stuff, but they fence off all the good areas. Don't give us a chance. So we have a little downtime while we wait for dinner. I'm gonna see if I can bring the drone back to life. Maybe get some epic sunset shots. So the camera needs popping back in again. And it's this wing. I thought it had fallen off, but I think it just needs replacing.
Ripped open. Ooh, there's quite a few blades. There, the blades. Whoa, 4. Oh, these are fine. These are
Oh, they come in a pair of blades.
Yeah, they come in a pair of blades.
Oh, no, they're exactly the same.
Which blade's broken? Where is it broken?
This one, look.
Oh, yeah. Take it over.
Okay. Well, that was easy. Oh, there you go. Alright, that should be it. More to it. That's it. And the camera is fixed. Should be good to go now. Cool. Oh.
Whee!
It works.
Ah!
Well, that's a relief. Now I know I can fly the drone into a 75-foot tall pine tree and it'll survive with relatively low damage. Luckily we had 12 more sets of blades on hand, so I've got 12 more crashes before I have to buy anything. All joking aside though, I was pretty disappointed with it yesterday. I thought it could do better than that. But I'm really impressed with how durable it is. And it was operator error that crashed it apparently. I think my controller was dead. So I've got it plugged in now. Something as simple as a dead battery. Why couldn't it have died right here instead of right after I threw it over the side of the bridge? So another short one today. We've been taking it real easy because there's no escape from this heat. When we built the van with no AC, we figured, you know, when it's too hot, we'll just run to a cooler part of the country. But I thought this was one of the coolest parts of the country. Turns out I was wrong. We've managed to cool the van down now with the ceiling fans. It actually gets pretty cool at night here. And it's cool enough in there now to go to sleep, so we're gonna go to bed and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.